welcome to Frankenstein's Fabrics. This is Saturday Stitches. Last week we discussed how you would do a stipple. It was a showcase on how to get started with your free motion quilting, and this week we're taking the next step. So from stipple, as you can see here, is just a curve in and out and round, up and down, filling the space. And traditionally you don't cross your stitch line with this. So with our next one, what we're going to be doing is crossing the line. We're going to be doing a looped stitch. So back to the settings that we have. This is a 3.5 stitch width, 2.2, which is my default stitch length. And I might increase that a little bit for this one because we're going to be moving a little bit faster. My feed teeth are up because my Janome machine prefers it. And I have my open toe free motion foot on the machine. I'm using once again the Rainbow Maxi Lock from Signature, and I have all my extra accessories, my thread snips and stuff to the side. So what we're going to do is we're starting in the corner. I've just sealed my square in so that I know where I'm working in what space, and we're going to do a loop. Now with this stipple, you start off and you curve left to right. Now you can do the same thing with your loop, or you can go straight into the loop. That's up to you. But if you want to just start, so what we're doing is where we would have simply looped around and back away again in the stipple, what we're doing now is we're crossing over and creating a circle on essentially a piece of string. Now, as you can see, I'm changing sizes, and this is because I'm trying to fill a certain space. My parameters are only this 5-inch square, so I want to make sure that I can travel in all different directions and fill right up into the corner. I can speed up and slow down depending on what section of the design I'm moving in. So on these big open loops here, when I'm traveling between one crossover and another, I can move quite quickly, but then I slow down to do a loop. You can also see, as I'm traveling, I'm changing direction, doing one loop off to the left, one loop off to the right, and that's because it's easier to move that way. And if you were to do them all in the same direction, it starts to look like it's a bit structured, and this you want a bit more freeform. Make sure that when hands start to get uncomfortable, that you reposition and change where your hands are. So there we go. Loop-de-loop is one step up from stipple. Next week we'll be looking at how to make that even denser. If you have any questions or you'd like to see any particular designs, make sure you comment below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week for Saturday Stitches. Bye for now.